Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable dynamic refresh rate in Windows 11. Dynamic refresh rate, also known as DRR, automatically switches your display refresh rate based on what you are doing. For example, Windows can use a higher refresh rate while scrolling or using a pen for a smoother visuals, and automatically switch to a lower refresh rate to help save battery power. Let's see how to turn it on or off. First, open the settings app by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. Next, click on System in the left side pane. Then select Display. Scroll down and click the Advanced Display. Now look for the Choose a Refresh Rate drop down menu. If your display supports dynamic rate, you will see an option like 60 Hz, 120 Hz. To enable dynamic refresh rate, simply turn on this one toggle. Windows will now automatically adjust the refresh rate depending on your activity, giving you a smoother performance while helping improve battery life. If you want to disable dynamic refresh rate, open the same Choose a Refresh Rate menu again. This time select a fixed 60 Hz or 120 Hz or another value available on your device. Windows will now use that refresh rate all the time instead of switching automatically. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.